Howdy, Michael here. I'd like to tell you about Design Bootcamp, an intense jam-packed design course from School of Motion. It's no small task to dissect a client brief, come up with a concept, and create beautifully designed images that tell a compelling story. The truth is, it takes many years to master this process, but we asked ourselves, is it possible to get a motion designer up to speed in just a few intense weeks? Rather than focus on design principles one at a time and in contexts that don't normally occur in real job situations, we engineered and built entire client jobs from scratch to focus in on specific principles a few at a time. It certainly makes for a tough course, but it also makes for an incredibly effective and efficient course. By the end of Design Bootcamp, you'll have a great handle on choosing colors, composing your images, working with type, plus you'll have lots of practice working out concepts and telling visual stories with your designs. You'll understand how design fits into a professional workflow, and you'll be exposed to dozens of artists that are doing the coolest work out there. Sounds great, right? Of course, you probably want to hear if it actually works.
I thought I was mid-range designer, but I realized during the course how far behind I was.
Before I started bootcamp, I was more along the lines of I get an idea in my head and then I just jump right in and start really with the project. Scrap that, start another thing, and now I know the whole process, which guides you in the right direction till the end.
Watching Michael and watching him actually create the boards, I can get into the mind of Michael and somebody that's been in the industry and have done it. That was huge.
Thinking about kerning in typography, thinking about those tiny details, it became muscle memory.
I know exactly what I need to do. I know my whole process of what I'm going to go through.
The course is definitely going to push you. It really got me focused on, okay, what's the brief, what's the goal, what do I want to say, and what's the story behind it.
After the second week, I was like, okay, cool. Let me just do something the way we've been taught and then see how it goes. And then I got the job.
It's changed, the way I think and look at motion design, so it's been awesome.
You'll join a group of like-minded students from all over the world as you all go through the course together. You'll critique and comment on each other's work, share your war stories, and encourage each other when you get a win. You'll receive in-depth and personalized critiques on every single assignment from one of our outstanding Design Bootcamp TAs. You'll be immersed in video lessons, podcasts, interviews, PDFs, and project examples. And when it's all over, you'll join the fast-growing army of School of Motion alumni. We've also teamed up with Shutterstock to provide every Design Bootcamp student with image credits to use on your work in Bootcamp. You'll be using real production assets to create professional quality boards that you can show off in your portfolio. Our bootcamps do tend to sell out, so sign up quickly if you're interested and join the pre-sale list for this course to be notified when spots open up. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in Bootcamp.